My final video this with diabetes. So here, yeah, I'll just joke out the whole like, yo, so if you want to cure your diabetes, easy, me meaning reverse it, simple. Stay away from milk, cheese, and butter from animals, sugar from sugar cane, alcohol, and white rice, and anything with dead starch. Yo, listen to me, algorithm. This is just for entertainment purpose. This is my last video on diabetes. When you stay away from that, you eat one meal a day. Yes, and go through fruit fast. Eat fruits in between. One meal, 12. Start eating at 6 a.m. and stop eating at 6 p.m. because the body shut down with the sun. So, yeah, I joke this here. I know really. Video title, last video on diabetes. Mr. Algorithm, this is for entertainment purposes only. I know you're not going to believe this, but diabetes, die with the biscuit. No, this was introduced to us by the introduction of sugar, because starch is so much to add in humans' diet. The body cannot handle starch, especially after 6 p.m. When the sun goes down, your organs stop working, waking up early in the grand rise, seeing so much work to be done. So guess what? They do what workmen do. They put the work aside and try to separate the work. Now, every day this is constantly happening. Yes, the eating of white rice and heavy starch, dead starch, that is not good for you through what? Sugar, the sugarcane industry, yes, where the Europeans has introduced to us, and without that taste, we wouldn't like sugar right now. But sugar lit the brain 10 times more than cocaine, hence, producing adrenochrome in the body, which is, of course, flight or fight. But the adrenochrome, remember that it will change your chromosome, yes, how you think, how you respond. That is why people is so sluggish right now. So if you did not go to hospital very often, yes, and do checkups, they would never record on you to tell you that you're diabetic, or you're on the borderline, because your family is as the trait. No, it's a lie. The truth about it is, stay away from milk, cheese, butter, rice, sugar, and alcohol, and stop eating rice. And my friend, one meal a day will keep the doctor away forever. Listen, eat like the Asians. I tell you, from 6 a.m. you start eating, and 6 p.m. you shut down, because yes, the organs stop working. They're just doing a little, but in the morning there's too much work for them. All right, so we have a diabetes program here, and remember that, look at the statistics, how much makes the medical industry the most money. This is why high blood pressure is a cousin of diabetes, and poor blood circulation is a cousin of high blood pressure. This is why when you have diabetes, you normally have poor blood circulation, and you normally have what? A foot that is black, that when you get a cut, it's not bettering, the wound is not closing up. Why? Because acidic body cannot clot, blood cannot clot, acidic body cannot heal a wound. Therefore, you're gonna have to increase your magnesium, of course. Yeah, you're gonna have to take some cayenne pepper and make a tincture, yes, so that your blood can start circulating. Go through some intermediate fast. It's called positive fast, not like the church fast with prayer water. That's rubbish. Yeah, you're gonna do a fast where nutrients is going in the body every day. It's called like water. It's called like fruit water fast, watermelon, cucumber. Yeah, and drink that water. That means your body's getting nutrients, but you're hungered from food, so you will call all the parasites out. Just remember that every disease is caused through the mouth, but they're letting go egg parasites in the atmosphere. So even if you eat well, you will have worms just the same. This is why I tell you about my parasite program. Oh, serious it is, because on the next breath, all disease is caused from parasites. Parasites eating away the pancreas, preventing it from producing insulin. That also is die with the biscuit, diabetes. It's eating away the liver dialysis. It's eating away um which other organ we have? The brain, dementia. It's all around the place. Your blood and your veins is a roller coaster for worms because humans made them very smart. It's the biggest part of the money loop medical industry. They feed off parasites because they let them go to bring in money. That's your sickness. So this is why I tell you that most people are diagnosed with the die with the biscuit, because you visit the doctor, so they have you strapped up and they take their time. They are strategic with this money machine manipulation tactic. They know when they tell you you have it, you are gonna now vibrate at this level and you're gonna believe you have it, and your whole cells is gonna change, because we don't know that in the beginning was the word and the word was God. Anything you say from thy mouth, you shall pay for it, like how you pay attention. So I'm saying now to say that all of this, when over here, you can stay over there if you want to, thinking that your diabetes is free when you get your medication from the true enemy, because they are called practitioners because you're still practicing on you. So when you give them the money from your health card thinking that it's cheaper than what we provide over here, it's simple because it's not for free. Remember that you have to keep staying in your 9 to 5 to fuel, yes, this health card. So now, if you're serious though and you want to come over this side, be mindful that the price in US is this, yes, and if you're in Jamaica, this is the breakdown. So don't come over here if you're not ready to let go. The machine that tests the diabetes. Also, yes, the medication, and yes, even the insulin, because that's synthetic. It's made from humans while it's found in the edge of string beans. So why take it from humans when you can take it from nature, right? Yeah. So going forward, die with the biscuit is $1 billion industry, and right now they are happy that persons like you, whomever this message suit, is not listening. They know a one man cannot change their budget nor change it. That is why they behave so brave. But if you were sharing videos like this, yeah, you could affect them at least 0.0001%. So yes, and one more thing. This is the machine, of course. Yeah, man, this is me on the machine. If you pay the extra for the package for the home visit, yeah, man, when we visit your home, you will be shaking up, yeah, man, your lymphatic system, yeah, man, as I just explained in the video right there. So, my final video on diabetes. There you go. I hope you share, and always remember to share, to Shireen, to Sharon. Just share this information and help persons out there with die with the biscuit. Peace. I'm out. If the host visit, look, we will get rid of poor blood circulation, which is the cousin of diabetes. Come on, people, get on board with the package. Yeah, man, we are not playing. You understand? We are draining the lymphatic system, which is really the immune system, and all it is blockage. The body is water itself. They tell you 70%, but it's 90% A3O2, the real water that comes from fruits as well. So let's move the body. Yeah, man, the machine will help. Peace. KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system